Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Jaleesa Graham, and today we're doing a clean with me vlog video. So I'm going to focus mainly on the kitchen, living area space, and the main bathroom that everyone uses. Make sure you guys are following me over on Instagram at Jaleesa Graham. If you're new, I would love it if you subscribe and join my YouTube family. If you're returning, hey, I really do appreciate you always coming back, supporting and watching my videos. Make sure you guys hit that like button, that notification bell, so you know when I'm uploading new content, and let's get into it. We're gonna vibe out to some music and get some things clean. I hope this is good cleaning inspiration for y'all. As a busy foster adoptive mother of many, the house can get a little messy, and I've been rushing in and out the house lately, just haven't had the time to do, things are just out of hand, baby. They're just a little bit out of hand. So we're going to get it in order today. I'm not doing a deep clean, but we just are getting things a little better, okay, than they are. So work in progress. And I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I love you guys.
You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time chasing stars. You live in the moment, carried away from who you are. You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time chasing stars. You live in the moment, carried away from who you are. 'Cause you're lost in illusions, dreams and confusion. Oh yeah. Falling faster, straight for disaster. Ain't chasing stars. Keep falling faster, straight for disaster. Ain't chasing stars. Keep falling faster, straight for disaster. Please don't hurt my feelings, yeah. Baby, you are a monster, are a monster. Baby, you will leave me again, leave me again. Baby, you are a monster, are a monster. Baby, you will leave me again, leave me again, leave me again.
I hope you guys have been enjoying this clean with me. This is the living room space. You can see Gabe is on the VR. The baby's watching Miss Rachel. Throughout the weekends, we usually do movie nights and camp outs in the living room. So that's why we got blankets all over the place. I actually cleaned this room the next morning because I fell asleep last night. And we're rushing out to go to a little amusement park with the kids. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. I love you guys. Bye-bye.